that you're settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess you gave me things I didn't give to you. Old friends, why you so shy and like you to hold back or hide from the light? I had to tell no out of the blue, uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I hope you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead.